It's just hair removal. It's supposed to hurt, right? That's what everyone told me. A Brazilian wax. Prepare yourself for pain. For years, I believed them. I would scroll past videos of waxing, flinching just at the thought. The stories I heard were enough to make me stick to shaving, even though I hated the razor bumps and the constant upkeep. But then, I stumbled upon something that completely changed my perspective. It was a comment section, of all places, and people were whispering about something called the silk technique. They described it as gentle, comfortable. Even I was skeptical, to say the least. Gentle and Brazilian waxing felt like two words that just didn't belong in the same sentence. But my curiosity was stronger than my fear. What was this silk technique? Was it just a marketing gimmick, or was there something real to it? The more I looked into it, the more I realized it wasn't about some magic potion. It was about the method itself, the science of hair removal, reinvented. Unlike traditional waxing that often yanks hair against its natural growth pattern, causing that sharp, intense pain and irritation, the silk technique is different. It's designed to work with your body, not against it. The wax is applied in a specific way, at a precise temperature that opens up the hair follicles. Then, it's removed in a way that coaxes the hair out from the root, rather than ripping it. It's a method that focuses on care and precision, prioritizing the health and comfort of your skin. It sounded too good to be true, but I had to know. So, I booked an appointment. Walking into the salon, my heart was pounding. I was mentally preparing for the worst, bracing myself for that inevitable eye-watering sting. I lay down on the table. My palms were sweating, and I kept telling myself, "You can do this." The esthetician was so calm and reassuring. She explained every step, her voice soothing my nerves. She talked about how the technique was developed to minimize discomfort and protect the skin barrier. Then came the moment of truth. She applied the warm wax, and it felt nice. It was just a comforting warmth, not the scorching heat I had imagined. I held my breath, waiting for the pull, and then, it happened. But instead of a sharp, agonizing rip, it was a quick, dull sensation. I opened my eyes, confused. "Was that it?" I asked. She smiled and nodded. I couldn't believe it. There was no jolt of pain, no gasp for air. It was just gone. As she continued, a strange feeling washed over me. It was relief. Deep, profound relief. I had built this experience up in my head as a necessary evil, a painful rite of passage for smoothness. But here I was, lying comfortably, chatting with the esthetician, as she gently worked her magic. I started to relax, my muscles I focused on the sensory experience, the warmth of the wax, the soft touch, the quiet hum of the room. It wasn't a procedure. It was a self-care ritual. When she finally said, "We're all done," I sat up and looked. The transformation was incredible. My skin wasn't red or angry. It was calm, smooth, and glowing. I ran my hand over the area, and it was unbelievably soft, softer than any shave could ever achieve. I almost teared up. It wasn't just about the absence of hair. It was about the feeling of being cared for. It was about reclaiming a part of my body that I had associated with fear and discomfort. In that moment, I felt so empowered. I had faced my fear and discovered something beautiful on the other side. This wasn't about conforming to some beauty standard. It was about finding a way to care for my body that felt good to me. It was about choosing comfort over pain, care over harshness. All the myths about Brazilian waxing being a torture session were shattered. It doesn't have to hurt. You don't have to suffer for beauty. This experience was a celebration of self-care evolution for me. It taught me to question the narratives we're told about our bodies and our beauty routines. We deserve to feel good. We deserve treatments that are kind to our skin. Looking at the results, the smoothness, the absolute lack of irritation, I felt this incredible wave of emotional satisfaction. I felt confident and genuinely happy in my own skin. So if you're like I was, terrified of waxing but dreaming of that long-lasting smoothness, I invite you to just rethink what's possible. Don't let the horror stories stop you. Do your research, ask questions, and look for techniques that prioritize your comfort. The pain is beauty mindset is outdated. Beauty can be gentle, it can be caring, and it can be an experience that leaves you feeling empowered and amazing. My journey from fear to feeling fabulous was real, and it all started with being curious enough to challenge what everyone said. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this personal discovery. It really means a lot to share this with you. If this story resonated with you, Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on demystifying beauty and finding joy in self-care. I'd love to hear about your own experiences or fears in the comments below. See you in the next video.